Hey guys, what's going on? Just wanted to tell you a little bit about a product that I just tried. It's by Garnier Fructis. It's a Nourishing Treat 1-minute hair mask. They were kind enough to send me a sample so I could try it before I bought it, and I decided that I'm gonna purchase the big size because I actually really like it. What it is a hair mask. It has coconut extract in it. The large size that you could purchase is 13.5 floral ounces or 400 milliliters. So this was just a little small one. This is 0.40 floral ounce, 12 milliliters. So I tried it last night. I actually slept with it in my hair because my hair is so dry and I really want to make sure I got the most out of it. So on the bottom here it says, yes, vegan formula, no animal derived ingredients or byproducts. Yes, 94% biodegradable formula, no silicones, no parabens, and no artificial colorants. So it says it's just a 1-minute hair mask. So on the back here it says, Nourishing Treat 1-minute hair mask, naturally derived ingredients 98%. What does 98% naturally derived mean? We consider an ingredient to be naturally derived if it is unchanged from its natural state or has undergone processing yet still retains greater than 50% of its molecular structure from its original plant or mineral source. This formula consists of 98% naturally derived ingredients. The remaining ingredients constitute 2% of the formula to ensure its sensoriality and preservation. Learn more at garnierusa.com. So ingredients: aqua water, purified water, cetearyl alcohol, coconut derived or sourced from coconut or other plant, glycerin, soybean or other plant, isoprolol, myristate, coconut or other plant, stearidopyl dimethylene, coconut or other plants. Some of these are a little hard to pronounce, so I'll just pronounce the derived or sourced from: coconut or other plant, shea nut, olive, soybean, part of the remaining 2%, sunflower, rosemary plant, coconut or other plant, coconut, part of the remaining 2%, pepperyl glycol, part of the remaining 2%, citric acid, part of the remaining 2%, Persi gratissima oil / avocado oil, derived from avocado, xanthan gum, part of the remaining 2%, tartaric acid, grape, cetyl esters, palm or other plant. And these ingredients here: tocopherol, potassium sorbate, salicylic acid, eugenol, are all part of the remaining 2%. Star means not naturally derived. 3 ways to use soft, smooth, and manageable hair. How to use: number 1, as a mask. After shampoo, apply onto wet hair and leave on for 1 minute. Rinse. As a conditioner, after shampoo, apply to hair from root to tip. Rinse. And this is what I did last night. Number 3, as a leave-in. Apply on damp hair for frizz control and lasting nourishment. Suitable for color-treated hair. So definitely, I have some flyaways and stuff like that, so it definitely worked for me as a leave-in. My hair feels shinier, healthier, and this product smells absolutely divine. I love it. It smells so good. You could taste, no, don't taste it. You could smell the coconut in it, and it smells like you want to eat it, but you obviously don't. It says, take a minute, show us what you can do in 1 minute while masking for a chance to be featured on our site and social. Examples include masked and yoga posed, masked and swiped right. Go ahead and tag us at Fructis Treats, Super Hair, or at Garnier USA. It says here, Superfruit Super Hair. Love it. Larger sizes available in select stores and online too. Got a minute, get nourished hair fast, bursting with superfruit loaded with nourishment. Now 1 minute is all it takes to get soft, manageable hair. They also have different kinds. For those of you that don't like coconut, they have a Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1-minute hair mask with papaya extracts. This one, of course, with the coconut extracts. They have a Fructis Smoothing Treat 1-minute hair mask with avocado extracts. They have a Fructis Color Vibrancy Treat 1-minute hair mask and goji extracts. and they have a Fructis Strengthening Treat 1-minute hair mask with banana extracts. It sounds really good. And then the product dimensions for the 13.5 full size are 3.3 by 3.3 by 3.9 inches and 15.4 ounces. Shipping weight is 1.1 pounds. The product description: in 1 minute, indulge your hair in a nourishing treat with 98% naturally derived ingredients. Coconut extract helps you get soft, smooth, and manageable hair. There's no way down, no silicones, no parabens, of course, and we consider an ingredient to be naturally derived if it is unchanged from its natural state or has not undergone any processing. 2% of the formula ensure its sensoriality and preservation. There's just a bunch of different ways to use it. Of course, do not eat and keep out of reach of children. So what I was so impressed about too is that I get like these little flyaways in my hair after I straighten it, and I could just apply like the smallest amount, and it kept my hair frizz-free, which I really liked. And I'm going to show you, it's like a white formula. I'm just squeezing a little bit out of here. So this is what it looks like. It's really not greasy at all, not oily. Blends right in. Medium thickness, white formula. Smells wonderful. So guys, this was Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treat 1-minute hair mask. I hope you ladies and gentlemen will try it out, and I hope you'll love it. Thanks for watching.